Hello, in this video I will show you one more update in the data table. We added one more expert option to our data table, expert to sitemap. You see, the right away. When this update will be useful. When you want to export all of the URLs to the sitemap, you just go to the data table and click export to sitemap. You have to add file name, for example, sitemap new, URLs per file, date last modified. You can add any date you want, and change your frequency, always hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and never. We'll stay with always. We click export, and you see the notifications that the saving is in progress, and you will get notification when export is finished. So here it is, exported ready. Click on the right top icon in the top. Here it is, export to sitemap. You see your sitemap new, and you can click on it and export it. The second use case, when you make some changes to the URLs of your website and you want to make a sitemap out of them and then submit it to Google to recrawl these pages sooner. In this case, we'll create a filter like page URL contain, for example, career. And then we have these URLs and we export them to sitemap. So, we give it a name, career, number of URLs, date, and change frequency. And as always, we click export. Another one use case, we have this gray column in the impact section in logs, pages that are in the site structure but not visited by bot. You see them are not visited in the site structure. So, and we checked these URLs, found really good URLs. We switch to indexable pages. We export them to the sitemap. As usually, give it a name, visited not in structure. URLs per file, date last modified, change frequency. We click export as usually. Submit it to Google to attract Google bot to these pages. Another option, you have an opportunity to add a lot of sitemap files to Google Search Console and check if these URLs are indexed or not. But the file is limited to 1000 URLs. So you can export your files to sitemap, give it a name like indexable, and URLs per file we put 1000 URLs, and we click export. And the last use case, when you are doing a URL migration, you can export old URLs to the sitemap. You just click export to sitemap. You just give it a name, for example, old URLs. URLs per file, last date modified, always, and export. This approach allows Google to pick up redirects more easily, assisting the migration. That's all what I wanted to share with you today. Yes, thank you for your attention. Have a good day. Bye.